you guys are already here. Well, welcome back to school. Class, how are you doing today? Hopefully you're doing good, of course. So today is a very special day, students. Do you know why? No? Oh, well, I guess I'll have to tell you. You may or may not have heard already, but we are having our annual Halloween school party this weekend. So, I want you to all come in your costume. Do not stand up. Why are you standing up? That's weird. Anyways, I want you to all come in your costumes and no scary costumes because you don't want to scare the little kids, okay? You guys are old enough to know this already, but I have to tell you extra because obviously you're too dumb. I mean, you don't know. Yeah. Anyways, no clowns, no scary zombie costumes, only cute costumes that will not scare the little children. Understand? Good. Anyways, Chelsea, can you come up here and help me hand out the Halloween flyers for this weekend? Yeah, here you go. Thank you. Perfect. And we shall get started on today's lesson as soon as she finishes handing those out. So stay seated, kids. And once you get your flyer, raise your hand so I know. Got it? Okay, I'll wait. Okay, has everyone got their flyers? Good. Looks like you're all raising your hand. Perfect. Now, we shall get out our books. So everyone get this book right here. It's called Use It, Don't Lose It. This is a new book, kids. So, you better pay attention so you don't lose it, which means your brain, basically. Well, seems like Filbert already has lost it. Anyways, I shall pick a page since this is a new book. Let's see here. Which one shall we use? Does everyone have their books out? They're in the back, right there. You should know this already, class. Okay, hurry up, just go get it. These kids are so annoying. Aha! Okay, everyone go to page 6. Tell me when you're on page 6. I'll wait. You're all on page 6? Good, do you have your pencils? Good. Everyone go to question number 1. Which there is it? Is it the first one, the second one, or the third one? T-H-E-Y-R-E with an apostrophe, T-H-E-R-E with no apostrophe, or T-H-E-I-R. Which one is it? Chelsea? Yes, correct. Everyone circle number 2. Good job, Chelsea. Okay, now go to number 2. You guys can do that one by yourself. Well, I'll just say the question anyways. Circle the abstract nouns. All the examples are sword, wisdom, love, sandal, chariot, courage, monster, and map. So do that right now. Chop, chop, we don't have all day. Oh, wow, Chelsea, you're already done? Well, good job. Does everybody know what an abstract noun is? Do you, Filbert? Of course you don't. Anyways, does everyone else know what an abstract noun is? Good. Okay, looks like we can move on from that. If you want, you can finish the page, but whatever, it doesn't really matter. Anyways, I have my special flower pen here, and I don't know if you kids noticed or not, because usually you don't, but I decorated my room for Halloween this year. Of course. I didn't do that last year, but this year I'm extra special and super fancy and the best teacher ever. Anyways, that was so great. My candle smells so good. Can you guys smell it? Oh, you can't? Oh, well, that's weird. Okay, kids. I'm gonna get some chapstick. Start putting your books away if you're done. And we shall move on for the day. Let me check what else we have on our schedule. Let's see, I taped it up to the wall. I guess we have lunch coming up. Okay, that's fine. Well, in the meantime, I want you to get out your science books, please. And please work on page 35 or something. Wherever we left off, you should know. But I have something for you, Filbert. Stand up, come to the front of the class, please. Today and tomorrow and every day until Halloween, I'm going to pick a student. A special student. A deserving student. To give a candy to. A special candy. A candy that has a name on it that matches the student. For example, Mr. Goodbar candy might be for someone who's being good that day. Understand? Good. Now, I chose Filbert today. So, Filbert, I have a candy for you. Yes. It's an airhead. Oh, you're not offended at all? Well, we'll take it, yeah. Because you're an airhead. I mean, you're really smart. Anyways, enjoy your candy, Filbert. I didn't want it anyways. Too much sugar. You didn't even say thank you. Whatever. Anyways, kids. This is getting very frustrating how you never say thank you, Filbert. Very annoying. Anyways, on with our day. Did you guys get your science books out? Good. Looks like most of you are working. No questions? Wow, surprising. You usually have loads of questions for science. Is something wrong, kids? Did I miss something? No? Interesting. Well, I guess I'll just ignore it for now, but let me know if anything is wrong. Because I'm the best teacher ever, and of course I'll fix it. Hey, Filbert, hey, why are you eating in class? Give me that. You do not eat in class, Filbert. You should know this by now. Do not eat in class. I'm throwing this in the trash. No eating in class, Filbert. Peterson, I should call your mom right now. In fact, you know what? Go to the office right now, Filbert. You dastler. Hurry up. 5, 4, 3, 2, chop, chop. Good. He's gone. Oh, so annoying. I don't know why he eats in class when I do not give him permission to. Oh, you have something to say, Henry? What is it? You think it's not fair he went to the office because I gave him the candy? You should go to the office too. Well, actually, it's fine. Just stay in your seat. I don't want to seem like a bad teacher to the principal. Anyways, be quiet and you will have detention after school. That's right. So stay there, Henry. Anyways, I think we should get on with our day. Keep doing your science. I'm going to go to the bathroom, so stay there. Do not move. I'll be right back. Okay, kids, I'm back from the bathroom. None of you moved or anything, did you? Are you still... Oh, hello. What do you need, Principal David?
Well, I've been wondering why Filbert's been coming to my office so often.
Oh, he just needs to get his energy out. That's it.
Well, next time he comes to my office, I'm going to have to talk to his parents.
Okay, that sounds fine with me.
Well, he's still in my office. Let me know when you would like to have him back.
Okay.
Okay.
That works.
Bye.
Goodbye.
And you behave, kids.
Yep. Kids, did you see that? The principal came in. And now he thinks I'm a bad teacher for letting Filbert go to the office. And next time, don't be so silent. It's very suspicious.
And one last thing, class. You guys have the best teacher in the world, so be as nice as you can.
Yes, exactly. Did you hear that? He said I'm the best teacher ever. So you better behave. For the best teacher ever, of course. Since I'm the best, maybe I shall give the principal a call soon, telling him that I want Filbert back in the class. So he can join Gilbert, his little brother. Because, you know, as the whole class should already know this by now. But Filbert got held back a grade, so that's why he and his brother are in the same class. Yeah. And Chelsea is here just to help, and she is another grade up already, like all the other normal kids. And she's doing better than everyone in her class, of course. So, she's older than you, but she's helping, so be grateful. Anyways, I'm going to give the principal a quick call, telling him that we can have Filbert back now. Okay, be right back. Hi, yeah, this is Miss Johnson, so I was just gonna ask if you can bring Filbert back to our class now, or just send him here. Okay, yeah, perfect. Okay, thank you, bye. Okay, kids, Filbert's coming back. You better be acting good. Anyways, let's see what's next on your schedule for today. It's taped up. Oh yes, right there, of course. How could I forget? Anyways, let's see. Well, looks like we have lunch soon. Hopefully Filbert gets back before then. Well, for now, just get out your mouth. Whoa!
Sorry, I was just showing Filbert some of my ninja skills and I was distracted, sorry.
Oh. Okay. Oh, Filbert, you're back. Well, sit down, please. Why does that principal keep coming in? It's weird. I don't like it. He's super dorky. Anyways, okay, kids, lunch is soon, but I don't feel like going to lunch, and I think it's a rainy day anyways. Yeah, it's raining. So yes, we're doing indoor lunch today. Well, on with our day. Like I said, get your math books out and hurry up. Chop, chop, or else. I got this very beautiful paddle from somewhere. Oh, come in. Who is it?
Your fellow principal again.
Oh, hello, principal again.
Well,
What do you need?
you've been getting complaints that you threw somebody's birthday cake away.
Oh, no, never.
I mean, I didn't think you did. That's just
Yeah.
what I heard.
I did not do that. Silly
They said
kids.
something about a paddle?
Really? That's interesting.
I could never imagine.
Don't
you
know what
paddling
kind
somebody.
I don't know what kind of lies the kids are spreading. I'll have to talk to them about that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Something also about a gumball machine. Usually there's not many gumball machines here, but you
Yeah.
took one away or threw it away or something.
No, I don't recall that.
That's weird.
Yeah. I mean, I would never do
The
something
parents
like
are
that.
telling me that the kids are telling them that.
Well, kids, maybe you shouldn't tell your parents things that are false. Yeah?
Yep, only tell the truth.
Always.
Okay, well, you get on with the day.
Okay, see you later, principal. Okay, kids, back to math. You have been tattling on your parents and tattling to the school that I am paddling you and taking your birthday cakes and your gumball machines? Huh? You think that's acceptable? I don't think so. Not in this class, kids. You better listen. Oh, so sweet, Chelsea. It's okay. Don't worry, you're not in trouble, only them. Yeah, kids, including you, Gilbert and Filbert, do not tattle on me anymore or you will be out of this class and in detention, of course. But completely out of this class, like gone, boom, like that. So, you better listen from now on, or else. It's not funny anymore, kids. I should set this up here as a clear reminder to not misbehave. It's right here, in case I need to use it. Okay, well, getting it. What's that? Does anyone know what this is? Why is this trash on my desk? Anyone know? Who does this belong to, huh? Well, if you're too scared to admit it, then I guess I'll just dig through it. Let's see here. Ah, candy. Disgusting. Look at all these little wrappers. This one's trash. Well, that's interesting. Why would someone bring candy to school? I know it's close to Halloween, but no treats or food in class, and you should know that already, kids. Look, oh, you're back.
I'm just checking it. Oh, how nice. You're giving the kids candy?
Yes, I'm giving the kids candy.
Oh, wow.
There
How
you go.
nice of you. I'm just checking in because it's my principal day where I check in on all the classes 24/7.
Oh, nice. Oh, good job.
Well, see you soon.
Bye, I'll get back to class. Here you go. I don't think so. Give me back those. These are not yours. These belong to some kid who is just too afraid to admit it. Let's see, from Knott's Spooky Farm, huh? Well, that sounds dorky. Who went to Knott's Spooky Farm? Were you spooked out? Were you scared? Oh, no one answered. Well, that's weird. Guess it's mine now. To give to the good kids like Chelsea. Or just eat for myself. Except for I won't because I don't eat unhealthy things. I only eat healthy things. Now there's a mess on my desk. Now, I'm going to check what else we have on our day. Hopefully nothing. Oh, well, I guess lunch is next. Fine, kids, get out your lunches, whatever. It's a rainy day, so we're eating inside. And we're playing games inside, too. You're welcome. The games are in the back corner. And while you're at it, work on all the unfinished work, kids. Thank you. Hi, Principal. Do your work, kids. I mean, lunch or whatever you're doing. I don't really care. But as soon as you're done with your lunches, which I guess you're eating right now, which is fine, I should eat mine too. Then I need you to finish all of your unfinished work, if you have any. Thank you. Well, I'm just going to sit here. I'll just have my lunch after school. It's fine. I forgot to bring one today. Because I was just so stressed out. But you kids eat your lunch. I'll just wait here until you're done. Well, it seems like it's raining pretty hard out there, class. So yes, it is definitely a rainy day lunch. And it looks like some of you are done with your lunches, I see. Well, once you are done with all of your unfinished work, your lunches, and any other work or games that you might be playing, then you're going to go to Mr. What's his name? Well, I don't remember, but you're going to go to the math teacher's class for the rest of the day today because there's no one in his class today. I don't really know why, he just said so. So you guys are going to go to his class and learn math for the few rest hours of school because you obviously need tutoring. So yes, I will have to leave early, which is amazing. I'm thrilled. And you guys will be stuck here doing math for the rest of the day. So yeah, as soon as you're done, let me know and I will send you over to his class. Or maybe I'll just leave now. His class is the third one on the right. You should know that by now. So yes, hurry up, chop chop with what you're doing. Finally, you guys are done. Well, I will walk you to the class. Let's go. I'm gonna go out this door. You guys go out that door. Let's go. I'll meet you in the middle of the hallway. Hurry up, kids. Stand up. I dropped off all the kids. Finally. Well, I guess I can just go home now and enjoy some warm soup because it's rainy outside. Well, I'm going to go home. Goodbye, classroom.